When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day.
Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Nina, and if you are new, welcome. I'm so happy you decided to visit my channel, and to all my lovely subbies and viewers, hi guys. Today we are working on our outside decor. It's mainly lights, and it's a lot of them, so I thought I would take you along. And it's not very interesting watching us hang lights, but I have some footage of that, and then I thought I would give you a tour of at least our front garden. Okay guys, so we are done with the outdoor lighting. At least I'm not done with all the decor outside, at least not on the porch, but the lighting are done. So I thought I would take you on a quick tour of the front garden and show you what we have done in daylight, and then show you how beautiful it is lit up at night. It's not snow, unfortunately, but at least we have a frosty and crispy morning today. This year we actually tried something new, which I thought turned out beautiful. We dug up, I think, 9 spruces and planted them in our planters, the ones we usually have flowers in at summer, and put lights on. And I thought it kind of made the garden look even more like a winter wonderland. So we have 3 here by the carriage with lights on, and I hope the camera picks up how the frost is glittering, sparkling. And we put lights on the plum trees and the outdoor Christmas tree. This is actually a fake tree, which we use outside. It's supposed to be used outside, but it is rusting, so yeah. And this is the only decor we have colored lights on, and I'm very pleased with that. I think it looks, the colors, the colored lights looks a bit like bulbs or decor. So even though I don't like colored Christmas lights, I love it on the outdoor Christmas tree. And here's the pond. And again some more spruces with lights on. And I don't remember the name of that plant, but it's what we usually plant in Norway in the fall, and I let them stay outside until spring. And here as well I've used some branches of spruce. I have to be careful because it's slippery today, and the pond is turned off and the ice is beginning to form. On the bridge I did it very simple, but I think it turned out beautiful. I just took a garland and with lights and tied it up with a red bow. I actually wanted thicker red bow with wires, but it's impossible to find in Norway. Yeah, and this is the area that I'm most pleased with this year, mainly because it's it's pretty new, and again done it very simple. I'll just try to move so you can get a better look. If you hear some whining, it's my dogs. They think it's too cold to be outside, but they just howl if I put them inside, so yeah. But we have a new lamp, and I love it, and we found some beautiful bulbs that was not too bright. A very simple lit wreath, and my outdoor old deer statues. Just put some red bows on. This is the cleaning, what is it called? Yeah, the thing that cleans the water in the pond, and it's not beautiful, so we built this summer and to hide it, and made it look like a duck's home house. So I usually have some ceramic ducks standing here. Now they are changed out with the deers, and you will see that all the buildings have these lit garlands along the roof. So, and this is so beautiful at night. And this is where our fish is now having their kind of summer. It's they have their own house, and it's 20 degrees, but of course they too have a bit of season decor with the garland, and again a bit bigger spruce. I can show you inside if you want. This is ooh. Oh, the camera is fogging up, and so are my. Let's see if I can, like that. That is how my fish spends their winter. I don't know if you can see. There they are. So that's the fish. And on the door I just put a big white heart. And then moving down here, here's our, I'm sorry about the buckets, and this is things we use for the fish. I have to move them, I'm sorry. It's the vegetable garden that never got done this summer because we bought a cabin and had other things to do. But this is our Frosty. I don't like colored lights, and I don't like white lights. He's very white, but when the snow comes, he's he will look beautiful. And then, hope I don't make you dizzy. This is our old rabbit cage or house. They had a house and their own garden. Again, the garland along the roof and a Christmas star in the window. I have not gotten to that inside yet, but the house will also have Christmas stars in every window. And this is how it looks. The garden looks a bit bare and strange this time of year, but yeah. And then for the house, we've done the same. A garland and lights on the plants. I will do something with this is where I am not finished yet. I will decorate this area and a bit more here, but at least the lights are up, the big snowflakes on the wall and the flickering lights inside of the oven. These are also fake, of course, and I only have those at Christmas and winter. Yeah, so that was our outdoor decor, at least on the front of the garden. And now I'll show you how it looks, how beautiful it looks at night.
Around midnight, way up high, there's an angel in the sky. The glitter and the shine, she must be divine. What a night, what a sight. Ring the bell loud and clear, have the reindeers reappear. Take my hand, you promised land. Here we go. I have wished upon a star, I've sent my wishes far to get you in every way. I had given up hope when the snow started falling, but then I knew it was you. Around midnight, way up high, there's an angel every night. Take my hand, you promised land. Here we go. Upon a star, I've sent my wishes far to get you in every way. I had given up hope when the the snow started falling, but then I knew it was you. Around midnight, way up high, there's an angel every night. Take my hand, you promised land. Here we go. Here we go.
And that was our garden all dressed up for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed the tour and maybe got some ideas. I especially love how this corner turned out. It's blowing a lot, so I hope you can hear me over the wind. I'm working on my gold tree and indoor decor, and will bring you a video as soon as I have something to show. So until I see you again, have a wonderful week. Stay safe, guys, and happy Christmas decorating. Bye!